I'm going to be reviewing the Black & Decker Matrix Quick Connect Drill Driver Combo Set. This is a great tool for your homeowner and do-it-yourselfer that just wants to do some projects around the house and not use these every day in a commercial setting. It comes in this nice hard carrying case that has held up well. I've had this set for over 2 years. Nice tabs over here. You can store other things on top of this. So if you're just using this for the occasional weekend project, it's great. It includes pretty much everything you'd need. It includes your drill driver, and this is the thing about the Matrix system is you can take each head off to put different ones. So you have your drill driver, you have your impact, and even they got steel gears in here, so it's a good system. When you go to remove them, it's all steel. There's no plastic there, so it does hold up well, and you can just swap them out. Simple as that. And then you're using a different tool. You don't have to have a ton of tools laying around, just one tool. And if you have other Black & Decker tools already, such as their chainsaws, pole saws, their 20-volt system, all your batteries are compatible. Here it comes with this sander and some extra pads, etc. A jigsaw attachment and jigsaw blades. And again, it's this easy to swap in between which tools you're using. And then you have a jigsaw. You have here the Oscillating Multi-Tool, which is very handy to have. And also a router. And with all this, there's other attachments available as well, such as I believe a tire inflator and a sawzall. So this is a great system. So none of these are what I'd consider commercial grade, but if you're just using them occasionally, they're good. Some of the things, like I've noticed, it's a little bulky on the jigsaw, and you're going to want to get extra batteries, and if you're trying to use two tools at once, it takes a little extra time to swap in between them. But overall, as far as the value for what you're getting and the storage and not having to have a bunch of different tools laying around, this is a great system that kind of gives everything you need all in one package.